hands of another person and take their life, that was never no love.
Mm-hmm.
Whether it's the male or the female. If you kill that person, you never loved that person.
Yeah.
Because
Motherfucker.
love don't kill.
Mm-hmm.
Love don't hate. That's right, family. So stay out of those situations. Yeah. So a lot of people get into relationships and think you might feel a certain way about that person, but do they feel that same way about you?
Probably not. This fries is good.
You might love a person, but they don't love you. And I'm out.
He's out. Because he's old.
We all love to make those dishes that make people happy. Tonight we're making some bacon wrapped tenderloin on.
Carrot, barbecue beef brisket.
This stuff's gonna be delicious.
My kids are gonna freak out. Best dinner ever.
Now's the downtime, the fun time. I can go hang
The
out.
zazon it up.
Relax by the pool.
Absolutely perfect.
Check out this beauty.
Food brings people together. It's the one
Sure
thing
does.
we share all over the planet.
Mm-hmm.
We got a new one with Kid from Kid and Play.
Oh, no. Mm-mm-mm.
All right, here we go. Kid, welcome back to Vlad TV.
What's happening?
Yeah, this is what, our fourth something time?
We're an item now.
We're an item, we're a thing.
We're the opposite of J-Lo and A-Rod. Like,
Yeah.
we're still going strong.
Right, they just announced they broke up. Like, officially broke up.
That's wild.
That's the best of your whole day right now?
Man, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? What, if J-Lo and A-Rod can't make it, I got no chance. Like,
Well, she's on the market now, so you know you might have a chance.
Mm-mm-mm.
You and J-Lo.
Yo, J-Lo, no. J-Lo is the hunter. J-Lo is not the hunted.
You do not pick J-Lo.
No.
She picks you.
J-Lo picks you. Go down the line. Okay. This dude's a Puerto Rican dude, the white dude.
I know Black High, you
Right.
can tell.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Probably out in Jersey.
She's the shark. We're the guppies. You know,
Mm-hmm.
But nah, you know,
How's your win?
You know, I feel bad. You know what I'm saying? They look great. They always look great.
Flax.
You know,
Yeah.
some of those rich. Both rich, yeah. I don't know.
You know, she got 2 kids. He got,
Doesn't he have
Who got two
does he have
kids?
some?
think he has some kids.
Yeah, Brady, you know, it was like the Puerto Rican Brady Bunch. The Brady Bunch. The Brady Bunch.
Remember, this was Sazon overnight. Mm-mm-mm.
They were like a Latino Brady Bunch.
The Latino Brady.
Yeah, I was rooting for them. What are you talking about?
I was rooting for him too. It seemed like a real kind of couple. But I actually interviewed her once over the phone.
Mm-hmm.
What was that? Not in person. She had a really dope personality.
Yeah.
It's kind of like, yo, like she's actually like, exceptional, like personality wise.
Well, you know, J-Lo was in our movie Class Act.
Oh,
Back in the
I
day.
did not know this.
Yes, yeah. You probably
What was
saw
she?
a whisk to her image. Okay, yeah, she actually played a cheerleader in, you know, as kind of, you know, like atmosphere or background in one of the scenes. It was like when she first got out here to Los Angeles. I think even before she became a fly girl. And yeah, she was in the movie doing a thing. You know, very active and athletic, and she, you know, I remember her thing. She had a great personality. I think she had just come out from New York, from the Bronx.
Mm-hmm.
So, you know, she was literally Jenny from the block.
Right. This is before the nose job.
I don't know what you're talking about. Right? I mean,
Jenny from the block.
really? Okay.
Which is fine. If that's what you want to do, all good.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know. I mean, you know, we always thought she was fly from day one. Like, she was like all the New York girls that I grew up, you know, trying to talk to. So, and I remember I kind of liked her vibe, just coming out to New York to try to make it. Like I said, I think this was even before In Living Color. So she was out here doing her thing. And when you see all the amazing things that she's accomplished, it's crazy and still going strong.
bad?
Mm-mm-mm.
Yeah. So was she that fine back then?
To me, absolutely. Yeah. And she looked different. You know what I mean? She just got out here. She hadn't been through, the Hollywood machine or whatever. But like I said, she was, when she got out here, she was like around the weight room. Which is what New York guys are like. That's what we like. But you could always tell she was always thinking ahead. You always got the vibe like, I'm thinking ahead, like this on to the next, work begets work, and just her mind game, her intelligence is just off the charts. So, and that's gotta be, tough, man. Sometimes to be with somebody like you can't get away with shit. like this chick is smart, man. Those regular lies just ain't gonna work, A-Rod.
Damn, that's
You know
funny.
what I'm saying? They just,
CGI, you kind of make this.
like goddamn. Yeah, who my games to? SVU? The hell, you know what I'm saying? Them smart girls, man, it's hard to get away. You know what I mean? Like my girl, just man, it's hard to lie. Just break it down. She breaking it down like bang bang. I'm like, oh shit. You hear that shit? She getting ready to rip your alibi to shreds.
This Bud Light Zelda lemonade is packed with lemonade flavor.
Honestly, it has more flavor than my grandma's lemonade.
Mm.
Oh, no.
New Bud Light Seltzer lemonade.
Mm-hmm.
What did you think of Kid Cudi? Where
I know.
Yeah.
Wow.
on SNL.
Let me. I want to choose my words carefully when I say this.
Mm-hmm.
And then I saw the article today he did in behalf of Cobain.
Mm-hmm.
Right, Kurt Cobain did a similar performance wearing the
Yeah.
same type of dress.
Yeah.
That's what he said.
I just wish
Mm-hmm.
that men in general really understood the definition of what they represent
Yeah.
as a man to the world.
Mm.
And what I mean by that is, there's no way I'm going to put a dress on for national TV. There's no way I'm going to do a movie that I wore a dress in a movie.
Mm-hmm.
Knowing how that affects the young men and the men in our community and around the world. There's no way. But
Mm.
we are in a society today that you could say the wrong thing and it could spiral totally out of control.
Mm-hmm.
And it's gotten us pushed back into a corner that if you do truly want to share your feelings, you're considered a hater.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
You might have protests coming at you.
It's like
You have
everybody-
all these things. So
Back in the day, you could say whatever, do whatever. Who gives a fuck? Now you say something. You're a racist. You're a Karen. Black Lives Matter. You know what I mean? It's all. It's like, yo, shut up. Y'all are all too sensitive. Stop taking everything so personal.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean? Like, damn. It's just.
Mm-hmm. Right nowadays, yep.
And that's what all these killings and all these police stuff. The only reason why we see it more is because everybody has a phone. That shit been going on.
Right.
It's just now everybody has a phone, everybody's recording, so we see it more. That's all.
That's all.
Ain't nothing changed. So people acting all irate and crazy. Man, people been getting killed and beat up by the police before we were even born.
Mm-hmm.
And now people want to act on. So it's just like everybody is so sensitive. You can't say nothing against gay people. You can't say nothing against the opposite race. Some people just got to understand. Sometimes it's better. And that's why sometimes if you have an opinion or something, you don't have to put it on the internet. You don't have to say anything. You don't have to share it with people. Your opinions can be your private opinions. But nowadays, everybody want to put everything out.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like, some opinions don't have to be shared. And then you don't have to worry about people calling you a racist or saying this or that because you don't. Your opinion doesn't matter to them.
Mm-hmm.
So that's just what I'm saying. Some things are just better left unsaid. Everything ain't for the internet.
Yep.
That's what some people problem. They gotta understand. Everything is not for the internet. Because people, all they gonna do is judge you or look at you the wrong way anyway.
Yep.